Hello friends, my today's topic is 1.5 his first flight. Now the introduction of the story. This story is an inspirational and motivational for a young generation. The story also throws a light on how a young seagull failed to take first flight due to the lack of self-confidence and courage. And after inspiring by parents how he succeeded in his first flight in the life. Now the summary. Once there was a seagull standing alone on the bank of sea because his parents, a brother and a sister, had already flown away in the search of food and hunting. He had been afraid to fly due to the lack of confidence, with the fear of falling down. His brother, sister had already weaker and shorter wings than him, but they flew away. Actually, he could not muster courage to fly. His parents were trying to boost him and teach him the technique of flying and hunting. It was like a punishment given by parents to him. It had been 24 hours that he had not eaten anything. He was under the scorching sun. His family did not pay attention to him. His brother, sister, and father had already hunted and devoured the fish. Only his mother was looking at him and trying to tempt with a piece of fresh fish. After some time, his mother left a piece in front of him. He was very excited, hungry, and crazy for the piece of fish. Now he forgot all the fear and jumped toward the fish. In first attempt, he fell downwards and became very panicked. He again mustered all the courage and spread out his wings. At last, however, he began to fly. On seeing him flying, his mother called out him excitedly. Soon the rest of family also gathered there and began to fly happily. Forgetting his fear, he dived, soared up, cawed, and cried out loudly and happily. Now the family praised him by offering a big fresh fish. He had finally overcome his fear and developed the self-confidence only due to the inspiration given by parents. At the end of the story, a seagull had successfully made his first flight in the life. In this way, this story teaches us a message that with the help of hard work, proper guidance, self-confidence, courage, and dedication, one can get success in the life. Now, a saying from Hindi, लहरों से डरकर नैया कभी पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. This lesson can be proved by a English quotation by Napoleon Bonaparte. Victory belongs to the most perseverance. I mean, the failure is the first step of success.